But when I entered this place, right, it's feel like wow. ये मेरा पहला word जो था वो था wow. सब पूछते हैं
अच्छा
कहाँ से काम कर रहे हो, कहाँ से काम कर रहे हो. सबसे अच्छा है मैं ओवर हाइप नहीं कर रहा हूँ, but I'm telling you the fact. That is the best decision I took to invest here. But this is my best, investment till now. So you feel the difference if you go to the Mirpur place, right? And when you came here, you feel like you are going from,
You're going to a village or
Bus area to this
hill station kind
hill
of place.
station resort or something.
2 years back,
Okay.
I think that time the COVID was on its full place, so I was completely frustrated with the closed environment. So after COVID, we have decided to go for outside with nature, and eventually I found this place. So I was looking for the farmhouse kind of villas, right? So I gone through these places. I don't know about these places. So on YouTube I found this link.
Okay.
Okay. Now from YouTube I came here, and that's how I got to know about these places.
So you
Everything was absolutely up to the mark.
actually
जो हमने बोला था, and what they have committed, they have completely fulfilled it. I'm very satisfied, very happy, and I think that is the best decision I took. This is my best, investment till now, and I'm not the only one who is saying this thing, right? My friends who came here regularly with us, my family members, all are saying the same thing. Hey, Abhishek, that is the good thing.
Critical analysis.
They are very good.
really
Yes. Actually, अगर ये
शिकायत
वीडियो अगर रविकांत सर देख रहे होंगे,
अच्छा।
अगर उनको दिखाइएगा तो मेरा एक शॉर्ट थैंक्स नोट है उनके लिए, because he helped me a lot
Is it? Okay.
to fulfill my dream house.
Okay.
He is the main, architect for this, because he helped me a lot in every sense, right from the first day.
Okay.
I often work from here. That is the reason I took an internet connection here.
Oh, I see.
So we came here whenever my kids' school is off, right? We came here, we both have came here, we are working from here only.
I see.
So the concept of working from home to working from, farm villa.
Farm.
I have some constraint with my kids, otherwise I'll permanently shift it here, because I don't have a constraint going office every day. I have seen couple of other places also, right? But when I entered this place, right, it's feel like wow. मेरा पहला word जो था वो था wow.
अच्छा नहीं
You feel the
नहीं
air, environment, oxygen level, you feel everything.
yeah
I spend lot of time outside.
okay
So my 1 BHK house is also enough for me. It's more than enough for me, because I never stayed. I only go inside for sleeping in the night.
बाहर अच्छा लगता है।
बाहर अच्छा लगता है. यहाँ बैठेंगे, रिव्यू हो जाएगा, वहाँ पे बैठेंगे, लैपटॉप लेके. I do a meeting, right? तो मैं कैमरा ऑन करके मीटिंग करता हूँ, लोगों को दिखाता हूँ कि ये ग्रीनरी कितना ऐसा पूछते हैं.
अच्छा
कहाँ से काम कर रहे हो, कहाँ से काम कर रहे हो. That's a beautiful thing, and thanks to Ankura Home.
once again
Once again.
thank you so once again my hearty congratulations
Thank you.
to
Thanks
you
a lot.
all the best and welcome to Ankura.
Thanks a lot.
Namaskar.